Now wetin dey happen for my state? Wetin dey happen for Igbo state? Okorocha, Rochas Okorocha and Uzodimma, wetin dey happen for Imo state? Gịnị na-eme n'Imo state? What is happening in my state? What is happening in my state? What is Igbo turning into? What is Igbo land turning into? What are we really doing to ourselves? We are fighting for Biafra. We are fighting for Biafra. Yet we are fighting ourselves. Why? What is going on? Where is our love of Igbo? Where is the love of the Igbos? Where is this love going to? What is killing our love? Why are we betraying ourselves? Why are we selling our love out? Why are we disgracing ourselves? Why is Igbo automatically turning a zone of war? Instead of love to come between us, instead of us to be one keeper, instead of us to be our brothers keepers, instead of us to fight, instead of us to stand together as one. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Why do you want to be counted among the people who is fighting against themselves? I can't even believe this. My father did not give birth to me, my mother did not give birth to me seeing Igbos as betrayers. I was not growing up to see my father's land as a hatred land. Sometimes when I talk, they will say that I am talking against my people. It's not intentionally to see this happening. It's not intentionally for me to see myself talking against my people. Because I see deliberately that even some people here can give me camera standard, they can give me a laptop, they can give me a good phone, but because of I am saying the truth, some of them just choose not to even assist me on what I needed. Imagine what is happening. How can Uzodimma? How can you do this? How can you disgrace our ex-governor? How can you disgrace him like this? I am not saying that Rochas Okorocha is a good governor at its own. I am not saying that. But why are we taking laws into our hands? Why do you think doing it like this is the best way? I know that this hotel that people went to seal, you seal this hotel because you just want to sell Okorocha out. And he couldn't resist. And he came to fight back. Look at the way your aide was stabbing ex-governor. Okorocha, you see what you have done to yourself? Rochas, this is exactly what you sow. You just repeat on the 10 times fold. This is what you sow. You sow for this. When you were bombarding Mbakwe, how they call this man? When you were bombarding the man that the heart of the people choose, with even these people that is fighting against you today. I know I don't know the story much, but from the comments, I got it that you have been a bad governor. Now you gather people, you were talking about Uzodimma, that he has not paid salary. See, Rochas, remember in your tenure, I read it very well. When you refuse to pay salary to the workers, to people that works, the workers, you refuse to pay salaries. They were crying, and you never listened to them. Now you are the ones saying the same thing to Uzodinma, that he has not paid salary, that he has broken all the status, he has destroyed all the roundabouts that you did. What roundabout did you do? A roundabout that you were using our money to mold cars of people. You were wasting our money on molding status on roundabouts. Is it the thing you are talking about that he destroyed? He said that you didn't do a standard work in Aba Road. He destroyed it. Now you are talking about it. On Port Harcourt Road, sorry to say. Now you are here to talk about it. Evil that men do, come back to them. But my pains is what is happening in Igbos. Let me use this to address this here. The kidnapping that is going on right now in the Igbo land is becoming unbearable. Now governors are fighting against governors, ex-governors are fighting against present one, and present one are fighting against the S1. This is what is happening in Igbo. Why military men and in Olu? And according to the comments here, they said that Uzodinma give road, and even Rochas is involved, that give the assets for the military people to dominate Olu presently now. Olu has become the Sabasa village. Olu has become the Sabasa forest of Nigeria. Military men now dominate that place, all because of bad government of Rochas and Uzodinma. You people are not planning for better of this place. Look at the contract that is when you are leaving Opiweka, going to Imo State, going to Owerri. Look at the contract that has been there. This contract has not been executed for a very long time. Yet, governors are fighting against ex-governor. The white senators are fighting against present governor in Imo State. What have we done wrong? What is tormenting Igbos? What is tormenting Igbos? What is going on? Let me address this here. Some people will feel that I am talking out of rubbish, I am talking nonsense. Fine. Let me beg whoever that is supporting the Biafra, whoever that is fighting for Biafra, should please don't see anybody that is not supporting you as your enemies. Because I'm suspecting something, and whenever my instincts tells me there must be a line, there must be an evidence of truth. Let me use this medium to beg Nnamdi Kanu and his men. Nnamdi Kanu, you are my boss. I take you as one of my mentors. I love what you are doing. But please, I don't want you to use force on anybody. I don't want you, because then indirectly you have boys around Igbos now. You have people that is supporting for us to gain this Biafra. But with the way things are going, Nigeria federal government will not support Biafra to go. Because how many states does Igbos have that can build us a country? With the way it is, the Nigeria federal government will not want it to happen. And I want to beg the Biafra, anybody that is belonging to the Biafra, because with the way it is not all Igbos are ready to be Biafras. So please let me beg this, and I'm begging this as a stupid woman that I am, as a stupid girl that I am. If anybody is not supporting Biafra, that does not mean that the person is not an Igbo. That does not mean that the person will become an enemy to the Biafrans. Everybody have their right and have their right to opinion. You have your right not to belong, and you have the right to belong. So please, I want to beg the Biafras, I want to beg anybody that is supporting Biafra to please not to take anybody that does not support you as your enemies. This will not call for atrocity in the land of Igbos. Please, this kidnapping, this molesting, this harassment should please stop. Let love lead. Everybody must not be a supporter of Biafra to be gained. No. Please, Nnamdi Kanu, you are my boss. You are my mentor. I love what you are doing. But please, Nnamdi Kanu is not in Nigeria. It's not in Nigeria. Please, those who that is still in Nigeria that is supporting Biafra should not go against anybody that is not supporting it. This Biafra gaining should not be a war to the Igbos. I am begging you people, please, I am begging. I have nothing much to say, but I'm begging that please people should not allow gaining Biafra to become a war in the Igbo land. Gaining Biafra should not divide us as Igbos. Please. Gaining Biafra should not divide our love, should not call in atrocities in our land. It's not do or die. It's not do or die. It doesn't mean that if I'm not supporting Biafra, then I'm not your brother anymore, that I'm not your sister anymore. No. It's not compulsory that everybody must support Biafra. Life is like that. When you win the race, they will still join us. Those who that is fighting for it, let them keep fighting. When we win, they will still join us. Success is not gained by everyone, but success is gained. Success is achieved by some set of people. Since people have choose, if you want to support Biafra, fine, let them be peace. If you don't want to support Biafra, fine, let them be peace. Let's stop this kidnapping, let's stop this atrocity, let's stop this hatred. Because from me, I am sensing hatred. I am sensing bullying. I am sensing harassing. I am sensing duress. Why must Hope, Uzodimma, and Rochas be coming out to disgrace themselves like this? This is uncalled for. There is no respect. Please, if we are fighting for Biafra, let there be love between us, please. We are not showing any good name to the world by fighting ourselves, killing ourselves, kidnapping ourselves, hating ourselves. Please, 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 biko ka nna you no, biko no. Oh, one name, biko no, please. I am begging, please. This is uncalled for. Please.